This is the new car. Welcome back to another episode of Pro Driveway. On this week, we've got a bit of special guests. I think the Miata grew, bro. You feed the Miata water, man. It turns into a GT-R. So, my friend Gia, he's had this for not long, and he's already modding it, as GT-R owners do. You can't keep them stock. So what we have here is a 3-inch center cat delete, if you want to call that. Bit of a mid pipe going on, stainless steel. Bit of a change to the stock one. So you got the two cats all the way into a center muffler and then the flange. So that's what we're changing from there to there. Should be pretty easy. You've only got about, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bolts, that's it, mate. And no hangers as well, which is pretty cool. They're a bit of a bitch. Should be pretty easy. We've WD-40'd the bolts just in case they want to get stuck from factory if they've been torqued down to spec.
Tight?
Yeah, they're very tight. Bit of ooga doogas, mate.
We'll spray them. Oh, that's tiny, man. Look at the size upgrade.
Big difference. So we've got the stock one here, which was a bit of a pain to get out. Not really, actually. It was kind of easy. But big size difference here. You got huge muffler to a resi, and then just full cat deletes. But yeah, big weight difference too. What did the guy say? A good half the weight. I think he said like 30 pound. But yeah, now we can throw this one on. That sounds alright. It sounds alright. No, it's not that loud. Yeah, same. Had a little trouble getting it on. We got all 3 studs in out of 4 and we couldn't get the 4th one in. It took us like an hour, probably about half an hour. But it's in now after some sore elbows. All we're gonna do is tighten it up and turn it on. Are you excited?
The crowd's not a house, man.
All in, all done. It's pretty easy except for that stud and just not being able to fit. It looks cool too. It's just all stainless parts. Do a little startup and we'll test if there's any leaks in the flanges. Hopefully not, but only one way to find out. I'm gonna start it up. You excited for the sound? It's way louder. That's way louder. Shit. That's fucking quick.